Start working on not touching your face, because one main way viruses spread is when you touch your own mouth, nose, or eyes.
This video, and others like it, went viral, for good reason. Touching the face is a habit we develop before we are born. That's why even health professionals have trouble resisting it. In fact, APIC estimates the average person touches their face 23 times per hour. This behavior is a serious problem right now because it increases your chance of getting infected. So how can you avoid touching your face? What if there was a face shield that could help you break this habit? This is Blocc. It's designed to be easily worn like glasses. Blocc covers your eyes, nose, and mouth, the main pathways where infections enter your body. It works as a barrier when you subconsciously reach for these parts and draws your attention whenever you fall into your habits. Blocc's ergonomic design provides a comfortable fit whether you wear glasses, a mask, or both. It allows for proper airflow, making Blocc suitable when you go for a run, and also works as a wind deflector when you ride your bike. While ensuring functionality, it doesn't compromise style, so you can feel comfortable wherever you go. Blocc is reusable. Simply wash it thoroughly with soap water and dry it with soft cotton. Although it's not designed for healthcare or laboratory settings, Blocc is made of clear polycarbonate, a durable material used to make protective goggles. The prototypes are finished, and the tooling has begun. What's left is your support to bring Blocc to life. Stay safe, and let's block the spread.